Brandy Pope, better known as the Glam Belle, and I am so ecstatic to finally announce something that I've been working so hard on. I'm here at the Code Creatives, and I've been working on an eyeshadow palette with Lady Code. It's called Glam Belle Beauty and the Beach. I competed at Mrs. United States and I got to work with the Lady Code team. They were so incredible and they chose me as their brand ambassador.
This award is the Lady Code Brand Ambassador Award, and this award goes to Brandy Pope.
But they saw so much more in me, and when Lisa reached out about making an eyeshadow palette with me, I was just like, is this for real? Is this real life? I was able to just use everything that is me, that screams me, and put it into a palette, which is something that I've dreamed of since I was a little girl. I wanted it to just be so reminiscent of who I am as a person. And I love the beach. Anybody that knows me, that is my happy place. That is where my soul is at rest. And so I knew immediately that this had to be a beach inspired palette. But I wanted it to be a palette that could be used all year round, not just during the summer. Even the names of every single shadow in this palette just screams who I am and what I love. Being a social media influencer and knowing that Lisa has the same, has that same vibe. That is why I chose to do this with them. I knew immediately that this was the path that God had for me. Today, I got to work with the entire team. Lisa got to do my makeup. I had hair done by Sabina. Joey styled me. Franz shot the collab. Wait until you see these photos. The styling, exceeded my expectations. I had all this inspiration in my head and we came in and it was totally different, but it was exactly what it was supposed to be. And these photos, jaw on the floor. The red outfit, I felt like a female version of Michael Jackson. I just felt bad. So this is a palette that, again, I definitely want to be able to utilize all year long. And I wanted someone that is not into colors to be able to use this palette and get a natural, everyday, beautiful look, but also get them to step out of their comfort zone and use some color as well. You can purchase this palette in the showroom in Miami, ladycodeshop.com, and at select retail stores. You can check their website for all of the stores that you can purchase this. You don't want to miss getting this in your hands. Thank you guys so much for everything, for all of the support. I could not do this without all of my followers and subscribers, and I'm just so thankful for this opportunity. I'm gonna be creating tons of looks with this palette, so make sure that you're following me on all of my social media accounts. Just search up the Glam Belle and you will find me. You don't wanna miss out. I'm gonna give you all the tips and tricks on how to get the best looks with this palette.